Welcome back to Shitoku Tech. Anyway, I'm working on this new 3D design for a camera that will face at a 45-degree angle away from the body of the rocket to get you a different point of view. I have cameras pointing down and cameras pointing out, but this is going to be a pod on the side of the rocket. So I'm in here in TinkerCAD and I'm having the darndest time. I've never seen this before. It won't center. I select these two objects, click on the center button, and it won't center. It refuses to do it. So let's see. How about this one? No, won't center. Won't center. I'm going to blow this piece up here so we can just see. You know, this isn't that complicated. I wanted to ungroup that. I've had drawings with a lot more objects in them. A lot of crazy stuff. Ungroup. Well, it won't let me ungroup that object. I've broken TinkerCAD. It will not let me ungroup it. Look at that. Watch. Ungroup. No, comes right back. Let's ungroup this one. Ungroup. Oh, and it goes right back. I've got something just totally blown away in this drawing. So I'm going to take my work out of here and we'll bring it to this other drawing. And we're going to go ahead and paste it out here. Align, center, center, and thank goodness I haven't broken TinkerCAD entirely. Let's see if we can take these apart here. Ungroup. Good, it's letting me ungroup the objects. Ungroup. I've just never seen TinkerCAD misbehave before, so maybe it's the COVID-19's got the TinkerCAD. I'm gonna blow this up, and let's blow this up again. Yeah, so here's that 45-degree camera shooting out of this pod on the side of the rocket. Anyway, check out more rocketry videos down here, and of course you can always subscribe over here. Thanks again for watching Shitoku Tech.